Most people think they're investing. They save a little. They put a few $100s into something. They check their account 6 months later. And it barely moved. And that's when doubt creeps in. Maybe investing doesn't really work. Maybe I need more money first. Maybe I should wait. But here's the truth nobody says clearly. People don't fail at investing because they don't try. They fail because they don't build a system. Without a system, every contribution feels optional. Every market dip feels like danger. Every unexpected expense feels like a reason to pause. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I would build a $100,000 portfolio starting from absolute zero. No hype. No lottery stocks. No overnight crypto miracles. A real system. With real numbers. And realistic timelines. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what your next step is. The $100,000 mindset shift. Before we talk about numbers, we need to talk about psychology. Most people treat investing like a side activity. Something they do if there's money left over. But wealth isn't built with leftovers. It's built with infrastructure. The difference between someone who reaches $100,000 and someone who never does is not intelligence. It's not luck. It's not even income. It's system design. People who build $100,000, $250,000, $500,000 portfolios early didn't guess better. They automated better. They removed emotion. They let math and time do the work. And that's what we're building today. Phase 1, the foundation, months 1 to 12. The first year is not about getting rich. It's about building structure. Think of it like pouring concrete. You don't build the skyscraper first. You stabilize the ground. There are 3 non-negotiables in this phase. Emergency buffer. Tax-advantaged account. Automation. Step 1, the emergency buffer. Before investing aggressively, you need shock absorption. Not 6 months of expenses. Not $20,000. Just $1,000 to $2,000. Enough so a flat tire, medical copary, or surprise repair doesn't force you to liquidate investments. Without this buffer, investing feels risky. With it, investing feels stable. This small step prevents 80% of early investor mistakes. Step 2, open a Roth IRA immediately. In 2026, you can contribute up to $7,500 per year into a Roth IRA. Why does this matter? Because the growth is tax-free. Let's say you invest $7,500 annually. Over 30 years, that grows to $50,000. You keep all of it. No capital gains taxes on the growth. This is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available to Americans. And most people delay using it. They wait until they have more money. That delay costs them years of compounding. Open it now. Vanguard. Fidelity. Schwab. Low cost. Simple. Step 3, automate contributions. Automation is where wealth actually begins. Without automation, investing becomes a monthly debate. With automation, it becomes a rule. Even $200 per month matters. But ideally, aim for $500 per month if possible. At $500 per month, you're contributing $6,000 per year. By the end of year 1, you've built the habit. And habit is more important than returns in this phase. Invest in broad market index funds. Total stock market. S&P 500. Low cost. Diversified. No stock picking. No guessing. No emotional decisions. Just market exposure. By the end of year 1, you should be sitting near $6,000 invested. That's not life-changing money. But it's life-changing momentum. Phase 2, acceleration, years 2 to 7. This is where most people stall. Because scaling requires discipline. Now the goal isn't just consistency. It's growth of contributions. To reach $100,000 in a reasonable timeframe, you must increase input. Here's how. Step 1. Use your 401k. If your employer offers a match, that is immediate return. If they match 5%, contribute 5%. If they match $200 monthly, contribute enough to capture that. Employer match is free money. There is no safer investment. Let's run realistic numbers. Roth IRA, $625 per month. For 401k, $400 per month. Employer match, $200 per month. That totals $1,225 invested monthly. Over 5 years, assuming 8 to 10% returns. You land near $95,000 to $105,000. Not from genius stock picks. From systematic contribution. The lifestyle inflation trap. Here's where most people fail. They increase income and increase lifestyle immediately. Bigger apartment. Nicer car. More subscriptions. Raises disappear. Instead, redirect raises. If you receive a $5,000 raise, invest $3,000 of it. Keep $2,000 for lifestyle upgrades. This keeps life improving without sacrificing acceleration. That's how disciplined investors scale without feeling deprived. Phase 3, compounding, year 8 and beyond. The first $100,000 is the hardest. Because up until now, you were the primary engine. After $100,000, the portfolio becomes an engine. A 10% return on $10,000 equals $1,000. But a 10% return on $100,000 equals $10,000. That's when money starts working harder than you do. And this is why most people never experience compounding. They quit too early. They invest for 12 months. See modest growth. Get discouraged. Stop. Wealth is built over decades, not quarters. The psychological barrier. Fear. Fear of market crashes. Fear of investing at the wrong time. Fear of needing the money. Here's the reality. Markets go up. Markets go down. Recessions happen. But historically, broad market index investing over long periods trends upward. Waiting for the perfect moment is the costliest mistake. There is no perfect moment. There is only early or late. Infrastructure versus gambling. When you treat investing like speculation, you feel nervous. When you treat investing like infrastructure, you feel stable. You are not betting on a stock. You are building exposure to economic growth. The US economy has grown over generations. Owning diversified index funds means owning pieces of that growth. That's not gambling. That's participation. Exact action plan starting today. Open a Roth IRA. Automate monthly contributions. Invest in broad index funds. Capture employer match. Increase contributions with raises. Ignore short-term noise. Stay consistent. That's it. No secret indicators. No day trading. No hype cycles. Why small amounts matter more than you think. $200 per month at 8% over 15 years becomes roughly $70,000. Add raises. Add employer matches. Add consistency. You hit $100,000 faster than you imagine. But only if you start. Consistency beats intensity. The long game is the only game. This is not a get-rich-quick strategy. It's better. It's predictable. The wealthy don't rely on shortcuts. They rely on systems. They start early. They stay steady. They let time amplify their discipline. If you're starting from zero today, you're not behind. You're at the beginning. and every $100,000 portfolio started at zero. Final wealth principle. Investing is not something you do with extra money. It is something you do first. Then you live on what remains. That shift changes everything. Closing statement. The people who reach $100,000 aren't different. They just built the system sooner. So build yours. Automate it. Protect it. Let time multiply it. And welcome to Freedom Fund Mastery.